R32 Club. The RB graveyard, R32 there. Laurel, another Laurel. What's going on here? What are you? He's a bit up. That man's upset.
That's disgraceful. Should never do that to this. Ah, that's from the other car that's never going to be going. Fucking piece of shit.
It's a bit of a storm out here, but we're just waxing the wheels off S13 and the coilovers. Because Josh is going to buy them off beef to put on the Laurel.
Whoa, no, beef, no.
Holy shit.
We need to fucking find something to check that on real quick. Beef, get some blocks. No, get some blocks, put them under there.
Someone dies. No jack stands. Holy shit. Far out. It's another day after we just picked up the R32 for myself, and we're about to get on another mission to pick up another one. Mayhem Inc. stealing all the RBs. So here's this beauty thing. As you can see, it's very wet, but we're still out here. Got RBs to get. Yeah, she's fair flooding. Jeez. Here she is, first fill up. Ooh, stock. Ooh. Yeah, that'll be straight through.
Kakimoto. Jasma. G'day. Enough of those Kakimoto. Yeah, they are. They're 5x1s.
Here we are, home safe and sound. Woo-hoo-hoo. She's a missile.
Those Allen keys.
RB20 det factory. Woo.
Might have to sit on the boat as you can.
She's nasty, alright? Missile spec. You'll be right, just leave it. This alternator will do the job. R32 Club. Go for a dose, my boy. Ah, well, here's another one. So this is actually a GTS4 all-wheel drive version converted to rear-wheel drive. As you can see, it's got the ABS and everything. Nice. Oh god, RV life, we're hooked.
There are all these sticks and shit.
Yeah, so this thing's been sitting outside unused for about 4 or 5 years or something. So we got it cheap. What do you know, a few Steiny bottles in the back. Mate, watch us get this thing mint. Yeah, got a boost gauge there, pretty filthy, but it's got potential, just like everything we get. A few things need tidying up, like intercooler piping and stuff, but it runs, it sounds healthy. No lifter tick or anything. Mint. Beautiful. Bloody good.
There you go. That's good, eh?
That's good.
Bloody good. It makes cool noises.
Go. Give it a quick look at the lummy. Yeah, boy. Good. Hey, that's stock exhaust too. Wait till we get a screamer and a straight through system on this thing. Huge shout out to Con Hill from Wairoa, setting up this deal for us. This is bloody mint. Mayhem Inc.'s turned RFB. Projector headlights, woo! Yeah, hard down.
Yeah, the rib cage is slow.
Mayhem Inc.'s here to rescue all the neglected RFBs.
Yeah.
Getting the cheap deals. Coming to a track near you. Yeah, give her a limmy.
Yeah, give her a look at the lummy.
Listen to it.
Healthy to me, boy. Sounds healthy to me.
Inline 6 goodness. It's even got a sunroof, means it's rear. This is good. Got the R32 here. Got the Laurel here with its paint job. Go check it out. A bit of light on it. Not too bad at all.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Just gotta get on to rebuilding the engine. All of a sudden we've all got RBs, getting some practice before we head to Japan. So it's gonna be a lot of drifting on the way. Cheap boy, cheap. So Josh has got to put the wheels on this from Logan's S13 and the coilovers. Just gonna be slammed out. And it's just a matter of getting that engine in, getting it wired up. It'll be good to go. Been a bit of a storm here, but this spray booth's still up. Holy shit. So now that we've got 2 more Skylines, going to be more painting on the way. Well, got the Purplo Laurel here now. Just going to unload this, chuck it at the RB graveyard. It's been a busy weekend, alright? So now, R32 there, come around the corner, got Laurel, another Laurel,